share with all of the folks in this room, and particularly the people behind me, what do you love, what do you like about East End Prep?
I like the homework and stuff, and I like the teachers and stuff.
Very good. This was totally unprompted. He said he liked the homework and he liked the teachers. Very good. All right. One last question. So you like the homework, which I love that you said that. You like the work that you do in school. I think that's fantastic. You like the teachers. So what's one thing you would say to your teachers that are here today? I know you have a special kindergarten teacher, but something you would say to the teachers, some kind of thank you you might share with them?
I love my teachers.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Gianni, I really appreciate that. And I love that he said he loved his work and he loved his teachers, because that's the heart of what I've heard about the work that our East End scholars are doing. So I want to say thank you to the leadership here and particularly to our teachers.